Now that the crypto bull run is underway, there's 3 specific tools that you need to make sure you master if you want to get the outcomes and the results that you're looking for in your portfolio. Hi, my name's Josh with Crypto Y'all. I do about 3 to 5 hours a day of crypto research and capital allocation. And if you like this video, give me a number 3 in the comments, bookmark it, and share it with a friend. Okay, first off, central exchanges. Central exchanges, they kind of play an anti-hero role in the crypto galaxy. On one hand, they're super convenient. They have great applications and technology usually. You can access things. You can connect your bank account to it and fund the account and get started pretty quickly in crypto. On the other hand, we have this thing called self-custody versus custodial accounts in crypto. That is, crypto is a digital asset class. It's property that if you control the private keys, that is like the serial number, the social security number, the title of your assets, you have to have that private key or those tokens in your specific digital wallet. Central exchanges control that. And in 2022, 5 major central exchanges went bankrupt because they, as a third party, mismanaged their balance sheet. And guess what happens when that happens? They take your money, your crypto, to bankruptcy court with them. I have relatives and friends who are still owed money from big crypto exchanges from 2022's crash. So primarily what you need to understand is that crypto central exchanges are on-ramps and off-ramps to and from fiat to crypto, crypto to fiat. Central exchanges are what I classify as secondary markets. They have a sanitized, approved catalog list of cryptos that you can invest in today that have gone through an application and a vetting process. But some of the application and vetting processes are like pay to play, so you can't really trust these anti-heroes of the industry. What do you do? Well, you have to take matters into your own hands, which leads me to the second tool that you need to master this bull run, really before things get too heated, and that is the hot wallet category. A hot wallet is a software that's connected to the internet. It's hot. It's like a hot wire that you and you alone control access to. You can use this device, this software, as permission access to move, to sell, to swap, to buy your tokens on decentralized exchanges. Hot wallets are the skeleton key, if you will, to the primary market. The primary market is the big intrinsic circle that the secondary market lives inside of. Remember, the secondary market is central exchanges. The big, full, global, international crypto primary market is made up of hamlets and dozens of decentralized exchanges that you access with your hot wallet. Decentralized exchanges like Aerodrome Finance, Uniswap, Radium, Orca, there's literally hundreds of them. That's where you go find the liquidity for all the tokens that are not yet listed on the secondary market. Your hot wallet is quite literally your active management tool. And then the third tool is the safe and secure tool, and that is your cold wallet. There's a lot of name brands in the cold wallet space, just like in the hot wallet space. You have, in the hot wallet space, you've got MetaMask and Coinbase Wallet and Uniswap and Trust Wallet and Exodus. There's literally dozens. In cold wallet space, it's pretty much the same. I'm not here to shill or promote a particular product. It's kind of like Nike, Adidas, Reebok versus everyone else. What matters is you becoming crypto literate on how to use a cold wallet. As a matter of fact, I guarantee you 1 out of every 2 people watching this video has a cold wallet sitting on their desk and they've not unwrapped or unboxed it yet because they're a little intimidated by it, and I totally understand. Which leads me to my final point. Open the box. Get the hot wallet added to your Google Chrome browser. Bullet, cannonball. Test, scale. You don't have to do it all at once. Don't be afraid of losing your funds. Crypto is fractional. You can start moving $10 or $15 at a time without having to lose everything because you fat fingered a click. Crypto has what I call the sword and the stone paradox. You remember the old King Arthur legend, right? Where if he pulls the sword out of the stone, he's magically crowned king. Well, in crypto, it's actually very easy to pull the sword out of the stone. But what happens then? All of a sudden, you're holding a weapon. You're holding a sharp object. And not only do you have a sword, but now you have to learn how to sword fight. And that comes with crypto literacy skills and market cycle knowledge. You want to enhance your crypto skills? You want to make sure you don't miss the boat on this bull run? Go to cryptoyall.com where you can learn how to build wealth through crypto without becoming a day trader. All you have to do is hit this big orange button so that you can watch my 12-minute overview video on how to use the crypto flywheel method. Crypto flywheel method is the choreography of the sword fighting. Cash flow, appreciation, leverage. These are all asset class characteristics that you can find in all of the other major asset classes. Except in crypto, you can create incredible momentum, prosperity, and life-changing wealth if you know what you're doing. So go to cryptoyall.com, and if there's availability, after you watch that 12-minute video and follow the instructions, you can schedule a one-on-one Zoom video call with me. Yes, face-to-face, we can talk about your flywheel potential. Like and follow for more.